What's up guys, this is Shan Haider and in this video we are going to perform an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G. So we will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, display, hardware specs, software and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here on the front side we got the huge Galaxy Tab branding. Got a picture of the device and the S Pen it comes with, and the device we got comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G in mint color. Here we got the S Pen, USB Type-C to Type-C cable, a SIM card tray ejector pin, and a quick start guide. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G, the tablet, the S Pen, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, quick start guide, and this SIM card tray ejector pin. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE in mint color. So first of all, let's switch on the device and we will do the setup process, and after that we will have a detailed look on our Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G here. And here we go. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So it comes with a huge 10.9-inch display with 82% screen to body ratio. So we've got a bit of bezels on the sides as well as at the top and bottom. The bezels are symmetrical on all four sides of the display. At the top center bezel we got the front facing camera. At the top of the frame we got the power key, beneath which you will find the fingerprint sensor. We got the volume keys, two microphones. On the left side we got the speaker grill, another microphone and a SIM card tray slot where you will find the nano SIM card slot as well as the micro SD card slot. On the right side we got USB Type-C port, another speaker grill, and at the bottom we got the pogo pin along with two indentation where you can connect the optional keyboard accessory with your Galaxy Tab S9 FE. On the back of the device we got the single camera with a microphone, Samsung branding, sound by AKG branding as the speakers are tuned by AKG, and plenty of antenna lines on both sides of the back of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G. We got the metal unibody design here and it looks quite beautiful and premium from every angle. On the top of the back panel we got the magnet where you can place your S Pen on your Tab S9 FE 5G. This magnet is quite strong as you can see here, and your S Pen will not fall out of the body of your Tab S9 FE as this magnet is really strong. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass and the device comes with IP68 certification for being waterproof and dust resistant. So this is a very unique and impressive feature that we got here on our Galaxy Tab S9 FE because it is very rare to find top level IP certification on tablets. The Galaxy Tab S9 FE is just 6.5 mm thick and it weighs 524 grams, so it is pretty lightweight considering we got a huge display and huge battery on this device, and because of that we will be able to use the Tab S9 FE for hours without facing much issue. Talking about the display, we got a huge 10.9-inch display with 1440 x 2304 pixels resolution with 16:10 aspect ratio and 82% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is 249, and because of that the display of Galaxy Tab S9 FE is quite vibrant and sharp, and the viewing angles are great as well as you can see here. This is a 90Hz LCD display and it comes with great amount of brightness, so you will be able to use the device in bright sunny outdoors without facing much issue. As you can see here, it's pretty bright for sure, and it does not come with any kind of screen flickering issue. At 90Hz refresh rate, the display is looking quite smooth and you will enjoy watching multimedia content as well as playing games on this device. Talking about the hardware, it comes with Exynos 1380 processor, Mali G68 GPU, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, out of which the user available storage is 218.7, so 37.3 GB is preoccupied by the pre-installed ROM applications, etc. And if 218 GB is not good enough for you, then you can use the provided microSD card slot to expand the storage. The device comes with 8000 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging, and in terms of software, it is running on Android 13 along with One UI 5.1.1 out of the box. But the One UI 6 and Android 14 will be available on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. As we already know that Samsung's One UI is pretty feature rich, and it comes with lots of options and settings for better productivity and customization that you can do on your devices, and the same you can do on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE as well. And it comes with some tablet based features as well. So as you can see that it comes with a dock at the bottom that allows you to quickly access some applications. You can even drag and drop it on one side of the display, and you can quickly access two applications at the very same time. In terms of software, apps and UI, we got plenty of One UI application. If you go to the app drawer, you can see that we got all of these Samsung applications along with Google applications as well as Microsoft applications. And then what we got here is Galaxy Pix, where you will find GoodNotes and LumaFusion, because the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE comes with the S Pen in the retail box itself. So once again, this is a very nice thing that Samsung is providing the S Pen in the retail box itself, and you don't need to buy it separately. You can use it for writing, sketching, creating artworks, etc. It comes with a stereo speaker setup tuned by AKG. So let's play some ringtone and let's see how good these speakers are on Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G. So it's quite loud and you can feel the bass as well. So audio quality is really good for sure, and it is not distorting at maximum volume, as you can listen here. Now talking about the camera, we got a 12 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 4K resolution videos, and on the back we got the 8 megapixel camera. So we got the photo mode, video mode, portrait mode. If you go to more, you can see what we got here is the pro mode, pro video, single take, night, food mode, panorama and hyperlapse, and we also got the Bixby Vision and AR zone. So considering people rarely use the tablets for taking pictures, Samsung is providing lots and lots of options here. If you go to the photo mode, you can see that we got the zoom as well, and we got full HD video resolution, video recording from the primary camera. As I said, people rarely use their tablets for taking pictures and videos, so I'm not going to talk about much here in this unboxing video. We will see how good the camera performance of Galaxy Tab S9 FE is in our detailed review of the device. But at the first glance, as you can see, it's looking pretty feature rich. So at the first glance, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G is looking one of the best tablet in its price segment, as it comes with great build quality with aluminum chassis, Gorilla Glass protection on the display, and IP68 waterproofing that you will rarely find on tablets. It comes with a microSD card slot. It is 5G capable. It comes with the S Pen bundled in the retail box, that once again is not pretty common these days with the tablets available in the market. We got huge 8000 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging, stereo speaker setup tuned by AKG, and a huge beautiful display. The only thing I'm missing here is the 3.5mm jack, and the Exynos processor we got on this device is not one of the best in this price segment. But we will see how good the performance of the device is going to be in our upcoming benchmark review video and the gaming performance test of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.